Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to take a look at the text formula, and in particular one formula that we can look at that would be indicative of other tests would be the exact command. And so we're going to highlight this exact command, and basically the exact command is going to check to find out if the cell that you designate has the value that you want, and if so it's going to return the word true. In other cases, it's going to return the word false. So what we would do in this case is we would then say that the text 1 would be perhaps one cell. In this case, we're going to have that cell to be A1. And we're going to say that if the exact text in that cell is going to have the word Thomas, then we want to return the value of true in the cell where we are running the formula. So what we're going to do is we're going to now click OK. And naturally, because there's nothing now in cell A1, then the cell where we are running the formula is going to have the word false. But if we were to go to the cell A1 and we were to type in the word Thomas and then hit enter, we would notice that the word would then return true. And we can use this in combination with some of the other features of Excel. For example, we can use conditional formatting in the cell where we are running the formula. And what we can do is we can run this conditional formula and we can say that we're going to highlight the cell if that cell contains a certain word. In this case, we're going to make that word true. And so we want the cell to be highlighted in a certain way. And then we're going to click OK. So what you'll notice then, if we return to this cell and we were to write the word cell, you'll notice then that it returns false. However, if we go back to the cell and we write the word Thomas, you'll notice then that the test returns the word true and works with our conditional formatting to turn the cell green. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.